Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how I installed this full lace wig, so keep watching. I really like this wig for like an everyday wig. It is so cute, like beach. Today I decided not to do baby hairs because not everyone likes baby hair, so I'm just showing you how I install my wigs without baby hairs. I will add some baby hairs, so when I do that I will make a separate video. But for now, I hope you do enjoy this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, share it with your friends. Make sure your friends share, like what I said before. Please don't forget, because I got lots to show you guys and I want everyone to be included that wants to know about hair. I'm gonna plug you guys in. But yeah, let me show you the back. Like, it's just a cute everyday. Wow, like this is cute. Yeah, I'll link my website in the description box below. So I'm just gonna tint the lace a little bit. Ooh. I like this. This is cute. This is cute. I think I'm gonna keep it this length for a bit, and then soon I'm gonna cut it to about here and have it more short, but I'm gonna keep it this length for a bit. So now I'm gonna cut the ears out. I'm gonna show you on this side because my mirror's on this side, so I need to see over here. So you're just gonna make sure everything's pushed back and you're getting a nice view. There's no hair in the way. And then we're just gonna trace just over your ear. You see it? Can feel like hair. I can feel that this is the top of my ear, so I'm gonna have to cut here. Like, this is the top here, this is the top of my ear here, so I'm gonna cut right on top here. Then I just like to clip it back, get my scissors and cut. But take your time. Take your time. I might even keep this in normal speed so you can see the speed that I'm going at. See? Just on top of my ear. When you're cutting the back, make sure you don't cut this part here, which is the straps. So make sure you avoid that part. And then now our ear is cut out. I'm just gonna do the other side, and then I'm gonna come back for the cutting of the lace. So at first what I'm gonna do is just cut close to the hairline, and then I'm gonna go back in and get even more in detail. As you can see, I just cut the hairline, but this is not acceptable. So what we have to do, can you see my hairline is all the way This is literally on my face. Like my hairline don't start all the way here, so it can get cut back. So what I'm gonna do is carve out your hairline a bit more. So it's saying all of this we gotta cut off. If you got to cut it off, you got to cut it off. You see now this does look better. Let's just cut this extra part off. Now this does look better, but that part that we plucked, we cut most of that out. We cut most of that off, so we're gonna have to go back in and pluck a bit more. Right, so I'm happy with this side. I'm gonna go in and cut this side and then come back for the glue down. Right, so this is the wig with the lace cut before glue. So now we're gonna get into gluing. You're gonna need your got to be glue, the yellow one. I use this to slip back my baby hairs. Then we're gonna need some rubbing alcohol to clean your forehead, to get rid of any excess grease or dirt. The glue that I'm gonna use to glue down my lace is the Bold Hold glue. I'm gonna use 4 layers of this. And we're gonna get your rubbing alcohol and some cotton, wipe, tissue, whatever you're gonna wipe your forehead with. And then just clean it off. My previous video, I wasn't too happy with it because I had makeup on, and I don't really like putting my wig on when I have makeup on. But because I was going out that day, I had to just quickly record and do it with my makeup on. But most of my videos I won't be having makeup on. Now we're just going to get your got to be glued. I like the yellow one because I feel like the yellow one is stronger, but it flakes more. But what we're using it for, it doesn't really flake. It's just to literally slip back these baby hairs. Boom, boom, boom. Now we're just gonna get the toothbrush and brush back the baby hairs. And I also didn't even do this in my last video because I was rushing. But with Bold Hold, if you have your alcohol, once you have your rubbing alcohol, that is coming off your edges. Like, it doesn't rip it off unless you're gonna rip your wig off. Like, if you use your rubbing alcohol, soak it in the rubbing alcohol, it will literally slide off and it will just come off your edges. As you can see, I still have edges. They're thin. They're not thin, but they're just not excess baby hair, but I still have edges. Let's say I don't have baby hairs, but I got edges. Yeah, I don't have baby hairs, like, you know them big, but I got edges. Like, don't mug me. If you look up closely, you can see from the real, it's not, the follicles are not damaged. They all good. Yeah, so I took off the wig cap because you can see it through the lace, because the lace is so thin. But now we're just gonna get to gluing. So what I like to do is just put the glue just a little bit in front of the hairline. Not too much. Before I used to put it so forward, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm learning. Not even that. You want it, yeah? You want the lace. You don't want it on your face. Like, you want it just on your hairline. Basically, you just put the layer of glue and then we wait until it is clear. As you can see, some bits are going clear already. well, you have to wait till it's all clear. As you can see, it's all clear now, so I'm gonna add the second layer and then just keep doing that until I've done 4 layers. I'm gonna lay the lace down. You just want to take your time, because with the bolt hold, once you lay the lace down, it's stuck. So take your time. And you can just put it over it a little bit first to see that you're going in the right place. We're just going to do the same thing on both sides. Alright, so now I have added 4 layers to both sides, and I'm going to lay down the sides. And then excess parts you can just cut off. Now you're just going to use the tail of your comb, get some glue on it, and then the little parts that are flapping up. So if you push it back, you can see these parts that are flapping up. If you can see here. You're just going to add some glue there, maybe like 2 layers. And now you just want to push the baby hairs down. Like, I want like minimal baby hair, so like I want the no baby hair look, if you get what I mean. Just taking some of that product that I put on before and adding that to the front curls.